Now, members, with where we have reached, of course, we need to talk about design. Yeah, design will be so key from this point. With design, there are these three aspects that we shall look at. There's what we call watermark. So with watermark, it will just be like some kind of design or some word that I want like to appear at the background of my document. So in doing that, I will be expected to come and click on watermark. I click on that, it is just here. Then I come and click on custom watermark. The moment I click on that, I will have this other provision. Of course, I need to type the watermark, what I want to appear there. Like for example, maybe I want this document to appear in my own name as Fred. As Fred, I will come and type on the word Fred. That is going to be my watermark. I type on that, I come to font. When I come on to font, I click on that, come to this part of size. I keep clicking. Like I want mine to be like size 40. So I can have that one. Click, I have the 40. And I may want to also have like color. So in this case, I want to use like we have red here, but I want just any color. I can even use yellow. It is okay. We can now use this one. I've just brought here the red color. So I will come and click on OK. When I click that, it is going. My watermark is going to appear in red, just because that is the color that I chose. But it can just be any color that you want, although it is not all that proper to again choose the color that will also have the same color as the color of the page. Now we shall come to page color. Now, of course, I already have my watermark, but now I need to also have the page color. I will come and click on it. When I click on the page color, I will have different colors. But now you choose the one that can match with your watermark. Like this one is very clear. I think the blue color here is very clear. You can see my watermark has remained, and it is looking. It can easily be seen from far. So that is all about page color. You choose the one that can rhyme with the watermark. Then, of course, there is what they also call page border. Of course, I may want my document to be enclosed. So I may need what is called a page border. So with page border, you also come. Of course, here we have so many of these aspects. There are just many here. So you're going to do the selection, the one that you feel can fit, can look nice, depending on your choice. Like let me choose this one here. So the one I've chosen there, I think it is okay, because if I look at my watermark, I also look at the page color. This one I've chosen can rhyme very well because my color was blue. So you can see it is just looking nice, and you find you're done with the three. The watermark, the page color, and this other. Okay, now let's also talk about this to do with margins. So with margins of the document, I will come to layout. When I click on that, of course I will now come to margins. So with margins, there are many. We have this one, mirrored, normal. You can just choose any narrow. Like for me, I want to use like normal. I just want it to be normal, so I will click on it. Even maybe the weight to also be normal. I will just do the same. So I come to orientation. I will also click on it. Then here I have portrait and landscape, but I'm going to use landscape. Click on landscape. Now this is how my document will appear. I'll come to the size here. There are also many. You choose the one that can be okay with you. Like I've chosen this one. I keep clicking on it and I get the information that I want. Like that. If I want the column, let's also talk about, like, we have this of column. If I want the column to be like 1, 2, or 3, of course I will also have to, like we have 1, 2, 3. It depends the one that you want. Like for my case, I want to have 3, so I will click on 3. Yes, I click on that. So I've chosen mine to be 3. Yes, of course, now in almost this other last step, I see that we have already looked at table of contents in our previous discussion. I think that one I will skip it, and now I will just talk briefly about how to talk about insert endnote and next footnote. So with insert endnote, I will click on it. When I click on that, of course I can come and type anything, just anything that I want. I can just type anything, like just what I've done here. It's just like that. Then if I also need the next footnotes, of course I will follow the same procedure, where I can also come and can also type anything that I want. After clicking on next footnote, I can come to that. We also talk of mailing, but now, those are things we already talked about. Then we shall now move to review. Of course, with review, it now encompasses a number of areas, like there's this one of spelling and grammar. So I can come and click on it. When I click, I come and click on OK. Then I can also come to this part of word count. Word count, I also click on it. I can see the number of pages that is in my work, the document. So I come and click on this part of close. You find I'm also done with that. Then there's this one of read aloud. I also click on it. I do the same, just the way I did with these other ones. Come to this part. I also click on it. Just like that, and these other ones. Then with read loud, there's this part of read loud. Here, when I click on it, of course, with read loud, it will work out if maybe like I want the program to like read for me. So when I click on that, of course, I can have the program read to me, and I will be able to hear. Then there's also this one of translate. If I also want it translated, I can come and type click on that. Then I get what I want. I may also want like to see or maybe have new comments. I also come and do the same. I click on it, of this part of new comments. This one deals with if I want to delete. If I want to delete, I click on this. And just like that. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, that is exactly what you do when it comes to Microsoft Word. You just follow those steps and everything just work out well. I request that, of course, you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Since it is the best way we can access, of course, we share information and understand some other things. So I also welcome any comments that you may have. Is accepted. Thank you so much. Have a good morning.